Hello, my dear friends. Thank you so much for your great support for my page in YouTube. So, today we are going to draw landscape by using pencil. So, hope you guys will enjoy the video. So, first thing I'm going to draw a heart here. Please do not use eraser. I'm requesting everyone. Try to avoid eraser if you want to be an artist. Avoid your eraser as much as you can. So इस वीडियो में हम जो बना रहे हैं वो बहुत ही एक बेसिक सा है। इसमें हम लोग फर्स्ट ऐसा राफ बना लेंगे जो कि बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। अगर आपका राफ अच्छा नहीं है तो आपका पेंटिंग कभी भी अच्छा नहीं रहेगा, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम टाइम दिखा जाता है कि लोग बार बार इरेजिंग बार बार उसको रेक्टिफाई करने जाते हैं और पेपर का जो गुण है वो ख़राब होते जाते हैं। तो मेरा मानना है कि आप लोग जितना हो सके आप लोग use a palm tree or maybe coconut tree just behind the heart. Before each and every single drawing, please do study with the particular subject. If you don't know the shape of the particular object, so you will be very confused. Just like what is the difference between a palm tree and a coconut tree and there are so many different type of trees, but it looks similar from the long distance, but there is small difference between palm tree, coconut tree, etc. So be sure that you are doing perfectly okay with the shape. What is the difference? You have to know that what is the basic difference between a palm tree and a coconut tree. So I am going to add some more tree like this here, so that I can make the composition more interesting. Leave some negative space as also. After that, I'll focus on the heart. I'll make that part darker, actually darkest, because no sunlight or no light is there. That's why it is darker than the other part. Then we will make that part darker. For the door dark, and the underneath of the roof make it darker. Make the window dark. Very simple and easy way. Some pens surrounding the heart like this. This is the ground. There is a character just in front of the house. Maybe he's talking to someone, or his friend or family member. So, and the shadow. Then I'll make some object here also. For that I'm going to make some more tree, but not in detail, just rough light. Just I have to keep the silhouette. Of course, not darker like the closer one. Remember, the proportion is very important whenever you are going to draw any kind of character or something like that. So take care of the proportion. The proportion is fine, no need any detailing. So this is the way to practice. You just do random sketch like this, and definitely you will see the improvement of your sketching skill. So whatever video you want to know, just let me know in the comment box. I will definitely try to do some video accordingly. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please share the video, watch the full video, and do the subscribe please press on the bell button so that whenever I am going to post any video you will get a notification, and please do subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for your support. Have a great day, have a great night. See you in the next video. Bye bye.